on.
Rainbow, cut! Puppies!
That would be Danny. There's the other boy right there, the orange color.
Oh boy!
There's the mommy right there.
Oh!
And then we got two boys over here.
Come on!
Red girl who laid in the tree sap. And we got our ever faithful Springer out there swimming in the water. That's Whiskey. Nice Whiskey. Dad, look at Whiskey.
Puppies! That was by you, Rainbow?
Yeah. They're all following Danny. There's the other boy right there, that's Yellow Boy. He's cute, he's a snuggly one. Find him!
Here. Danny. Quick. Danny, here.
Danny's got her own stick.
Danny. Ready? Catch.
Aw, my dog beat your dog. Woohoo.
Should I put some water in the bowl?
Oh, no.
Huh?
No.
Good girl, Danny.
That girl's tongue hanging out.
Well, she's just panting.
Lucy? You hurting?
No, she
Down.
just wants someone to play with her.
Leave. Ready? Danny.
Remember we told you started this months ago? So everyone knows Lucy's fine. She just wants people to play with her.
See, if Lucy wasn't fine, she would be swimming further out.
She's just playing, Mom.
Come on, Danny, good girl. Whiskey, leave. Whiskey, leave.
Good girl, Danny.
Whiskey, here.
Well, hello. There's Frenchie. Hi.
Here,
Hi,
leave.
baby.
Leave. Danny, ready? Set.
There's another boy.
The kid with their little tongue hanging out.
There's another boy, yellow.
I'm trying to put him in the water a little bit, okay?
Okay. Look at yellow boy. He's watching you. He's sitting right behind you. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Laying in the water.
Who's that laying? Is that? Oh, it's
Frenchie.
Trombley.
That's Frenchie.
Oh, that's Frenchie.